Thank you for choosing Burger King. Order when you're ready.
Yeah, I didn't get my down.
Sorry?
I didn't get my down. That number 7?
Small, medium, or large?
No, I didn't get the down. The large. You know what I'm saying?
What would you like to drink?
Down. Large down. A large down.
Go to your second window, please.
That's fucked up, dude. It says have it your way. I ain't getting it my way because I ain't getting my down.